Step 1. Welcome back to AK Tutorial Channel. Select the text tool in the toolbar or press T. Write mango. Step 2. Convert to Smart Object or rasterize the layer or text. Press Ctrl plus T in your keyboard. Ctrl plus T is short key of transform of any object. Left click. Control-click. Delete the text layer. Create a layer masks. Select the brush tool in the toolbar or press B. Step 3. Make sure your foreground color is white. Final result. Don't forget, like and subscribe.